Welcome to the channel. So I was trying to buy Plan B, but they wouldn't accept my credit card. They said I needed to pay with crypto. I told them I didn't have any, so they sent me some Bitcoin. Then they explained that I could use this Lightning app to split the amount between several friends. So I opened the app, added a few friends, tapped split bill, entered the amount, then hit pay. And just like that, I paid for my pizza with digital currency. But wait, before I take a bite, let's talk about it. What is this digital money stuff and how does it work? Well, that's what today's tech tip is all about. First off, let's define our terms. What is digital currency? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like, money in electronic form that exists only online. This means you can't physically touch it. Instead, digital currency lives inside apps or wallets on your phone or computer. Now there are different types of digital currency, but at its most basic, it allows you to send and receive money without needing cash or cards. Okay, so that's the basics. But how does it actually work? Well, let's imagine you want to pay someone using digital currency. First, you open your digital wallet, select the amount, scan a QR code or enter a payment address, then confirm the details and authorize the payment. The funds are then deducted from your wallet and sent to the recipient's wallet. Simple, right? And that raises another question, which is what types of digital currency are there? Well, three main ones. First, cryptocurrency, which is decentralized digital currency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These use cryptography for security and operate independently of banks or governments. Next, central bank digital currency, which is exactly what it sounds like, the digital version of a country's currency issued and regulated by its central bank. Examples include China's digital yuan or Nigeria's naira. Finally, electronic money, which includes mobile money or digital wallets like PayPal, M-Pesa, Airtel Money, and so on. These function like prepaid cards where you load value onto the wallet and use it to make purchases. Now that we know the types, let's talk about why digital currency matters. First, it's super convenient. You can use it anytime, anywhere with just a few taps on your phone. Second, it's fast. Digital payments usually clear in seconds, making it almost instant. Third, it's often low cost, especially for international transfers, which cuts down on fees and exchange rates. Fourth, it's accessible. Digital wallets can help people without bank accounts to participate in the economy. Fifth, it's good for remote work. If you're freelancing or working online, digital currency makes it easy to get paid from anywhere. But no, not so fast. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's talk about the downsides. First, scams and fraud. Digital currency transactions are final and non-reversible, meaning once you send the money, there's no getting it back if it's a scam. Second, privacy issues. Many digital currencies are public, meaning transaction history is visible to anyone, which might compromise your privacy. Third, value swings. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, meaning their value can swing wildly, making them risky for everyday purchases. Alright, so it seems like digital currency has a lot of potential, but also some challenges. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovation in this space. Whether it's cryptocurrencies, central bank digital currencies, or mobile money, these developments are reshaping how we handle money and conducting business, and that's your tech tip for today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips in the future. Until next time, stay smart, stay digital.